The duplicate removal and comparison tool is able to create unique lists from either one or two lists that you have copied from your own existing list within this tool, and also providing a comparison analysis where you'll notice that we use table 1 as the reference and then look at what is not found compared to table 2. Same case is using table 2 as a reference, what is not found in table 1, and then finally to see what is the same that exists within both tables. And then consolidating is bringing the two lists together and removing all duplicates. In all four of these processes, we obviously do remove duplicates before the comparison or even the lists are created. You'll notice also that we have a without trim and with trim, because in this case, if you look at the one highlighted, we have a trailing spaces afterwards. And then here we have no trailing spaces. So if we do a comparison or duplicate removal, these two will not be removed because to Excel, these two are different. We do not visually see it, but the Excel program does see it. So to accommodate that way, it depends on your need. Maybe you do want both to still be in your list, then you would use the without trim option. And if you want them to exactly look at them line for line, you'd use it with the trim function. Having said that, let me click on, let's look at the unique list from table 1. If I click on that, we get a new worksheet called T1 Unique, and you have all duplicates removed. But now, as I said, there and there, these two exist because the one has a trailing and the other one doesn't have trailing spaces. Let's go back to table 2, and we get a unique list from table 2. Go back to raw data, comparison analysis, and we get a new worksheet comparison where you'll see these emails are exactly found between the two tables, and then we have table 2 entries not found in table 1 and table 1 entries not found in table 2. So it depends on your need. This could be very helpful. Go back to raw data, and then let's consolidate the two lists together and then remove all duplicates. As I said, the one has trailing spaces, so therefore we still see that these two are existing in the line. Now if I just go back to raw data and I go click on with trim function, but I select consolidation, we will see that under the consolidation with trim, we only have one left. This is just not meant for email addresses, but any list that you want to use for products, for numbers, whatever it be, you can add in here to compare to each other. Thanks for listening.